Hello students, today we will be discuss about Ohm's law and specific resistance oblique resistivity. Okay, so let us start now with Ohm's law. Ohm's law. According to this law, potential across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flow in conductor. Okay, so let us consider this is a conductor carrying current I and potential across the conductor V. Therefore, according to this law, potential across the conductor is directly proportional to electric current. If physical state of conductor remains constant, if physical condition H, temperature, mechanical strain, it means length of conductor and area of cross section of conductor. Okay, H, temperature, comma strain are kept constant. So, B will be written as potential V across the conductor is directly proportional to I. V equal to Ri and this is written as V equal to IR, where V is potential across the conductor, I electric current, R resistance. Resistance is a property of conductor which is oppose the electric current in conductor. Okay. So, B, draw a graph between potential and current. V is directly proportional to I, it means V increases with electric current increases. अगर यहाँ पे B increase होगा तो electric current is also increased. Okay, and this is origin of potential and electric current. Therefore, graph is a straight line between potential and electric current I. Okay, इसको एक बार अच्छे से नोट करिए, फिर थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. Deduction of Ohm's law. Deduction of Ohm's law. We know that drift velocity V d equal to E into torque divided by M, because electric field E equal to V by L. So, drift velocity V d equal to E V torque divided by ML. We know that relation between electric current and drift velocity I equal to ANE VD. This is the relation between electric current and drift velocity. Putting the value of Vd in this equation, I equal to ANE into Vd is replaced to E V torque divided by ml. So this is written as A N E square V torque divided by ml, and ml V will be written as V by I equal to ml divided by A N E square torque, where V by I is equal to R resistance according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR and V by I equal to R. So this is written as R equal to ml divided by A N E square torque. This is the resistance in terms of mass, length and area of cross section. ओके, इसे एक बार अच्छे से नोट करिए. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे रेजिस्टेंस किन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है. स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस, ऑब्लिक इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टिविटी, इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टिविटी, ये भी लिख सकते हैं हम, रेजिस्टिविटी. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, सॉरी, resistance of conductor depends on the following factors. Resistance of conductor depends on the following factors. First is length. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor. The length of conductor R is directly proportional to L. And second statement is area of cross section. Area of cross section. Resistance are inversely as the area of cross section of conductor. Resistance is inversely as the area of cross section. It means R is inversely proportional to 1 by A, where A is area of cross section of conductor. And third statement is resistance of conductor depends on the material of conductor and the temperature of conductor. Okay. So B will be written as, in third statement, resistance is depends on the material and temperature of कंडक्टर. ओके, इसको एक बार अच्छे से नोट करिए, फिर थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. Combine the all statements. Combined the all statements. Okay. R is directly proportional to L by A. This is written as R equal to, अगर ये proportional to की जगह equal का साइन लगाएंगे तो कोई ना कोई कांस्टेंट आएगा. रो L by A, यहाँ आएगा रो, where रो is electrical resistivity oblique specific resistance, where रो resistivity ऑब्लिक स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, अब हम पढ़ते हैं कि जो रेजिस्टिविटी है वो किन फैक्टर से अफेक्टेड होती है. रेजिस्टिविटी अफेक्टेड बाय सम फैक्टर्स. We know that R equal to ml divided by A n E squared torque, because R equal to rho L by A. Putting the value of R in this equation, therefore rho L by A equal to ml divided by A n E squared torque. A cancel out to A, L cancel out to L, and rho equal to m divided by n E squared torque, where rho is resistivity, m mass, and number density of electrons, E charge of electron, and torque average relaxation time. तो ये जो रेजिस्टिविटी है वो किन किन से अफेक्टेड होती है? मास, नंबर डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, एवरेज रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. इन सब फैक्टर्स से रजिस्टिविटी अफेक्टेड होती है. इसके बाद एक नोट और लिखेंगे हम. नोट, रजिस्टिविटी इज वेरी लो फॉर कंडक्टर्स. रजिस्टिविटी is very low for conductors and very high for insulators. Very high for insulators. Okay, thanks.